video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look by using twists and perm rods. I deep conditioned my hair with the Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Repair deep conditioner. And then I used the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And then I used Got To Be Glue for my edges, a comb, and a toothbrush. And as my gel, I used the Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So if you want to see how I achieve this look on my hair, just continue. So I just deep conditioned my hair. The deep conditioner that I used was Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Repair. It looks like this in this bottle. So so at this point, I'm just going to gather all of my hair to the top, just so that's out the way. And then I'm going to start twisting. You guys, oh, it looks bad. You guys can see my heat damage. This is my new growth all right here. And then my heat damage is this thin part down here. So yeah. The roots of my hair is really thick, and then towards the end it just start getting thin. So that's my heat damage right there. So with my twist outs, I don't like my twists to be too small, and I don't like them to be too big. So I just use normal size pieces. So I just split off the back of my hair, and then now I'm going to break this whole section into 3 pieces. And then I'm gonna twist this right here. I'm gonna twist this so I can get that out the way. The first thing that I'm gonna do is apply the leave-in conditioner. I'm only gonna use about this much, and then put this on my hair. It just helps my hair to be moisturized, because if you were to do this on dry hair, it just would frizz up. So your hair needs some type of moisture so your hair won't frizz. So that's why I'm using that. And then I'm going to use the flaxseed gel, and it can just hold the curl pattern. If not, my hair will poof up. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I only use a dime size amount of that. And then lastly, okay, so I'm going to use this Main's Choice Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair. 2 pumps of that. And then apply it on my twist. So now what I'm going to do is take it and then just twist it. I'm making sure that both sections are even. And I'm just going to twist it like that. If your hair feels dry, you can apply more product. Okay, so for this part, I'm going to put a perm rod on the bottom of this, so it will stay. So it can stay and it don't unravel. A lot of people like to twist their ends, but my hair is it's really hard to like curl my hair in the back, so I just use a perm rod. Oh no. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then I'm gonna twist it up like that. And I don't bring it all the way up. I bring it up just right there, and then I snap it. Okay, so boom, like. So just in case you guys want to see it one more time, okay, I put the Shea Moisture. I put the Shea Moisture. I put a little bit of the flaxseed gel. And then I put this on it to seal it all in. And the reason why I use so much product in my hair is because if I don't use product, my twist outs will just be horrible. And they won't stay. It will be really frizzy and it just look really bad. So if you don't have to use a lot of product, then don't use a lot of product. But I have to use a lot of product for my hair. When you're twisting your hair, make sure that all the twists are the same size, because if they're not the same size, then you'll have different size curls. So yeah, if you want a really big curl, then use a big twist, but if you want little small curls, then use a small twist. Okay, yeah, so I just do this exact same thing that I just did in my hair. I do that all around my head. And then, yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm almost done so you guys can see what I did. I just got done, I just got done twisting my hair. So I have 12 twists in all, and then I have 5 in the back. No, I have 7 in the back and then 5 in the front. So yeah, this is how I did it. And I don't really like my twist to be that small. That's why I kind of use big pieces. I'm gonna do my edges tomorrow when I'm done with everything. So if you guys want to see that, then you can wait to the end of the video to see how I lay my edges down. So yeah, I'm gonna take this down in the morning, and yeah. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm about to take my twist down. I already took the perm rods off, and this is what I got. So when I take my twist down, all I do is take like 2 pumps of this, and then I rub it together to take it down. You don't ever want to take your hair down while it's dry, because that can just cause your hair to frizz up. So you can use an oil, but I'm using this. At this point, I'm just about to start taking my hair down and then like separating it. And this is the most crucial part. So if you don't want your hair to be frizzy, then you're supposed to just separate it very carefully, but I don't mind frizz. So that's why I'm just separating it any kind of way. Some of the twists are already breaking apart naturally, and that's where you're supposed to break it from. So basically at this point, I just keep playing with my hair until I get it how I want it. Sometimes in the front of my hair, since this part is just too long, I don't like the way it kind of throws off the shape of my hair. So I just pin it up this way. This is optional, this is just what I do. And then just to make it a little bit better for my hair shape. Okay, so this is what I got so far. So now at this point, all I need to do is lay my edges down, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. I just take some Got2b glue styling gel, and then I take my toothbrush and then I just lay my edges down. So I'm not really trying to do too much. Basically all I do is just make little swoops in my hair. And then I have this comb, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. So the last thing that I like to do is tie my edges up so they can stay. So that's what I'm about to do right now, and I'm going to be back. I'm just going to leave it on my hair for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the results that I got from this twist out. When I took my hair down, this was what I got for my edges. And then yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, do all of that. Thank you so much for watching this video.